Your expert. Cool stuff unboxing.
Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel. I really appreciate your support and your views. And if you like to see other products, please let me know. Like, subscribe, comment everything that you want to do. Today I got you the Orbit wireless noise cancellation headphones with True Tone technology. So we're gonna go over a little bit of details on the box of the unit. After that, I will just take them out so you can see exactly what you are getting before you buy it, right? So this one has up to 55 hours of battery life, foldable design with carry case, okay, awesome. Rapid charge in 2 hours, which is great because I hate when headphones actually get, they don't have battery and then you have to charge them, etc., etc. True Tone technology for customized sound, all right? So over here, it has the key features, which is they are swivel and foldable. Active noise canceling reduces noise to 43 decibels, which is great if you leave it, if you're having a meeting and there's a lot of noise around you, that'll be great. And it has 3 mic that allows for crystal clear calls. And it has a carry case included. Okay, that's very good, very good. Build a personalized sound experience with the Outdoor Tech Orbit app. Okay, so they have an app for you to actually customize the settings for your listening experience. And on top of that, eco-friendly packaging. Amazing. I love that. I love that. All right, so I'm gonna take them out. I think I cut one of this. Okay, I'm gonna take them out so you can see exactly what you will be getting. All right, we have a little packet over here with, let me check this out. I'm pretty sure it's on aux cable. And all right, yeah, we have a 3.5 millimeter gold plated aux cable, which is great, just in case if you want to wire them. And we have a USB-C to USB-C power cord, right? So for the unit itself, they come in this charging and this carrying case with their logo on it. It has a very nice feel to it. I can't complain. I really like this. You can actually just take them around, put it in your backpack, and you will make sure that your unit doesn't get manhandled by the interior of your backpack. Okay. On the inside, we have a little mesh over here. To put the cables on. Yeah, that's very smart. We have the swag for your sticker and your laptop, and we have the user manual. All right. Now, to the unit. The unit comes folded, so you unfold it. Ooh, I really like the hinges. Okay, that's actually pretty cool, All right, so we're gonna do the unpeeling of the unit, if you don't mind. That sounds like ASMR videos. All right, if you don't know what ASMR is, it's just basically people kind of whispering in your ears on the video so you can get tingles. All right, so let's peel this off. All right, I got a couple more to go over. So this one is on there. This one is the left side. Oh, and the inside they have left and right, which is great. And on the other side, and on the headband. Okay, can you guys hear that? Let me put it closer to the mic. There you go. Okay, now that we have the unpacked unit, I will go ahead and try them out and come back with my thoughts and a little bit of the app, because I kind of need to download the app. I'm going to check the user manual, and I'll be back in a couple of minutes. I'm not gonna make you wait. I'll just make it happen with the magic of editing. Thank you so much. Be right back. Ta-da! Editing magic. All right, so welcome back, guys. I was able to actually, test the Orbit. I played a lot of music. I used it to connect to my Nintendo. I used the active noise canceling just to see how it felt, how it go, the different options that you have for the noise canceling. And also besides that, I went into my phone and I got the Sound Adapt app, and it has their logo on it, right? So as soon as you have the Orbits paired to your phone, you will be able to access a lot of different options that you can play around with the equalization. It gives you the battery level, right? It will tell you how much battery you have on the unit left. You have different equalization options, or you can even create your own, which is actually very cool. You can also swap through the different noise canceling modes, which is active noise canceling, which will dampen any sound. You have transparency mode, which is basically just a way for you to dimmer down the sounds around you, but still gives you clarity. For example, I will recommend this one for when you are walking outside your home, right? And if you're about to cross the street, you can hear the cars, you can hear the beeps, you can hear the crosswalks, right? So that's pretty much the idea behind that sound. You can still hear your music very good without any interruptions, and you can still, hear the environment around you, right? And normally you can just cancel out that one, and they will still have some noise reduction just because these units are over your ear, and they will dampen some of the sound, right? You can change the balance on them, right? If you want to listen more on the left or, more on the right. You can even go to your settings and change the configuration of the buttons if you would like to do so. It also has a gaming mode, and you can also find your device, which, give me one sec. Here it is. So it find my device, and it will play a sound on the unit, and you can actually kind of see where on the map you left them, right? So as long as they're connected, they will give you that option to play sound on the unit so you can find them. So that's pretty much and pretty cool. Basically everything about the Orbit. For their price point, I really like them. Aldertech really outdone themselves with this unit. I really enjoyed this one. The bass on them, it's amazing. I listen mostly to like hard electronic, hard bass, if you want to call it that way, right? So they do have an amazing bass, but I also tried it out with some heavy metal songs that they have a lot of vocals and a lot of high pitched guitars. So it was also doing me that. I could hear the drums and, the guitars very clearly. So it was a very good experience music wise. I had a meeting with this one's connected to my laptop, and nobody said anything. It was crystal clear audio, both sides, like listening and also talking on the mic. So they do have like 3 mics in order to pick up your voice, so they will be perfect for meetings as well. And just pretty much overall, if you're working in an office and it's pretty, kind of noisy, you can just, dimmer everything out and just, listen, concentrate on your music. This one's will be perfect. Besides that, on screen, you also have the Total Share 4.0, which you can see over here, right? Remember, you can pair a lot of units at the same time with this one. And on the right side, you have the Bolt magnetic speaker, which is also a power bank, and you can just stick it outside if you're gonna go tailgating, and you can just stick it, in the outside of your car, and you can, listen to music. It is water resistant, also works as a power bank. So pretty much the whole combo of items that you can get from Aldertech right now. And I'll give you links in the description below of all the items. But so far, the Orbit, it's the crown jewel for Aldertech for headphones. It has been an amazing experience. It has its own carrying case, so you don't have to worry about, getting them bumped up or, breaking them inside your backpack, which was something fairly common for me, especially when I was traveling to the office and, I put something in my backpack. When I take it out, it's just in shambles, right? So they did an amazing job with their Orbit in order to actually make it happen. And so far, I'm very impressed with their work, and I really like them. So if you're planning to actually get one of those, be my guest. Let me know what you think. They are so confident in their products that they do offer a 30-day return window. If you don't like something, they will give you a full refund, no questions asked. You just have to ship the product back to them and they will be more than happy to actually just issue a refund. On top of that, all of their products have a 1-year warranty. So if something might, in life, something might go wrong. So just hit them up. They'll be more than happy to help you. They have 1-year warranty, 30 days. They're so confident in their products that they do offer a 30-day return for a full refund, no questions asked. So you just need to contact their customer service and let them know. And this was my unboxing and short review of the Orbit. So if you want them, please let me know. We'll be having some future videos with more products and more stuff. So if you are interested in this kind of content, please let me know. If you are interested in some other stuff, please let me know. I will be more than happy to open up some more products for you. Hope you have a great day. And this was your expert. Thank you so much, guys. See you next time.